I don't think the light's gonna work. Yeah, the battery's still too low, but we got the flashlight on my pad here. Sorry guys, I don't have much light right now because Kevin's over there with the camcorder and the flashlight. Mason, stay with us. So far I've taken a video, a couple videos on this phone. This would be on the third one. And I got a nice video on the camcorder. The camcorder video was insane. I mean, I heard some jumping, laughing, music, but that's coming from the street, I know that. What, honey? I don't hear anything right now, honey. We did earlier. But Mommy's just taking one loop around with her phone while Daddy does the other end with his camcorder. Daddy! He's all right, honey. Stay with Mommy.
I want Daddy.
See, you hear that, Mace? It's almost past your ghost hunting bedtime, bud, so we're going to head home soon. Mommy's going to come back out later. I'm going to see if I can hit up St. Mary's Cemetery.
And we stay here.
Get a nice video over there later tonight.
Stay here and you going home?
No, we're all going home, and after you go to bed night, Mommy's going to go back out and take another ghost video.
Inside a home?
No, at the cemetery, honey.
What cemetery?
The big one in our city? No, it's a little ways from here. No, I heard that. That came from over there. What the hell was that? Jesus. There's Kevin and Mason. Our stuff is over there. Gotta keep an eye on it. We are in Lawrence. Now this again, this is behind Lawrence General Hospital. You never know who or what you're gonna run into, especially over here. But it's early enough where I didn't feel it a danger for my son. He loves to go investigating with us. He loves to be with us. He loves to be a part of everything we're a part of. You know, obviously I would never take my 5-year-old anywhere late or dangerous or in a cemetery or anything. I truly believe in spirit attachment. But before we head out, I don't care what time it is, I always make sure that myself, my son, and Kevin all have proper cleansings. I always make sure once we get home we all have a proper cleansing. And once I say it's ghost hunting bedtime, Mason knows that means it's time to head back home. We don't let him stay out past, the latest has been 9 o'clock. And I mean, we end up being somewhere right next to our home. Never anywhere too far. But tonight, that's that time, his bedtime. So we're going to head home, get him to bed. And it's such a beautiful night out tonight that I'm going to try to get over to St. Mary's Cemetery in Lawrence. Check out down there, see what I can find tonight. I love that spot. It's such a huge cemetery. I mean, it's impossible to do that whole place in even a week, let alone a month. I mean, that cemetery is insane. I keep hearing something over here. Now, this fence was not broken last time we were here last week. There's caution tape there. The chain's still on it, but the whole fence is knocked down. Let me see. Now, I do see, like, I don't even know what I see down there, but I'm not going to go in there only because I have Mason with me. Yep. Yeah, honey. All right, let's get going. It's past your ghost hunt bedtime, right? I swear to God, I keep hearing a jump. Like if someone were to jump and come down on branches. Yeah, and laughing. Did you hear laughing?
No, I was kneeling in a little, looks like a little path over there, and I kept hearing rustling around.
Yeah, and that's what Mason was hearing. He said he could hear rustling. Well, you know that it's past Mason's ghost hunted bedtime, so we got to get him home. We're behind Lawrence General Hospital. I don't want to be here at a time where it's dangerous for him or for us. And like I said again, we're very much a family. We do everything together no matter what it is. My son loves to be with us all the time. He loves investigating. He loves being a part of this. He loves the camera. He loves the flashlight. He loves the thrill of it. And I would never take away from my 5-year-old's curiosity. And where our son is autistic, this has been his release. This is when we come out at night and we do this, or during the day even, and we explore and we go on our little adventures, as we call them. He's so calm and so relaxed, and he's just a part of it, and content and focused, and his just not even just his mind but his body language is so taken down, and he opens up, and it's been a savior for us and him. It's been something that he enjoys and something that he looks forward to. And I know that people's opinions might be up and down about this, but you know, I would never put him in a situation that would endanger him. I would never bring him out somewhere to a place that I thought would be dangerous, or at a time that I thought would be too late for his age. But you know, we go to places close to home with him. We go to places where, you know, it just turns nighttime. It's not too late with him. We stay kind of on the sidelines of the woods and stuff, you know. Make sure we always check out the places and stuff when we're with him. Trust me, we're very safe and very observant parents when he's with us. And anything that could possibly be dangerous, or, you know, if I'm going in anywhere, or Kevin goes anywhere, or we're going in anywhere far from home or late at night, you know, he's home and he's safe. You know, we have our restrictions with him, obviously. But, you know, I'm not going to keep going in circles about that. You know, I just wanted to voice my feeling on that subject and explain a little bit why, you know, we do what we do together. Everything we do together. And this is something that he enjoys, and it makes him happy, so it makes me happy. And I wouldn't have it any other way. Yeah, it's dark up there. I know, you ready to get going? It's getting to that time.
Down there.
What's down there? Oh, the path?
That's where I heard stuff down there.
Yeah, see, something like that, if Mason wasn't here, we'd be running down there. But with Mason here, I'm not even going to chance it. Okay, Mommy will come back and check it out another time. I hear that. All right, let's go.
Yeah,
Ready? Let's get out of here. You having fun, Mason?
Oh, yeah, I leave the first one.
You having fun investigating with Mommy and Daddy?
Mommy, stop.
What?
We can't go yet because it does hear something back over there again.
You heard that?
Yeah.
I heard that.
Daddy, come over here.
All right, no, honey. Come on, let's wrap it up. It's time to go. It's way past your time. We're close to the house. Okay. Let's get your truck and stuff is put away. You got that camcorder, Kevin?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Let me,
Flashlight in.
I should have been holding it this way. You get better footage this way, but I wanted to hold it up because
Daddy, put your flashlight
what
in
I was
here.
filming over there, the paths were so narrow.
Put it inside?
Yeah, put
We're
your
packing up
flashlight
here.
in my
Let me
bag.
get my GoPro put away.
Be taken.
Okay. What else I got in my pockets? Nothing? You got the flashlight, Kevin?
Mason said he put it in his
Where's
bag.
my,
Ooh, you got it in your bag, honey?
where's my hat?
There's your hat right there. I gotta pee. Sorry, had to say that. But I do. Okay. All right, let's see. Let me get this zipped up. All right. Okay. Ready? All right, we are gonna head back to the house. Let me get this flashlight. Go in here.
Mommy.
What,
stop.
honey?
But then there's her something back over there. Daddy! I just heard something back here.
Well, listen, what do we always say, Mason? Let's stop. What do we always say? We always ask the spirits not to follow us home, right? And we always wish the spirits well. And what do we say, guys? What does Mommy say? Mommy says, see no evil. What does Daddy say? Kevin, what do you say? Hear no evil. Mason, what do you say? Speak no evil. So what did you say? Speak no evil. That's us. Just saying. Wow, look at how dark it is. Now this is where I'm coming up to here. Now that's the road up there. That's going to lead us back home. This is the dark. That's the field. It is so spooky in there. I've been meaning to get in there and take a nice walk around. Oh, it is so creepy in there. But we are in Lawrence. We are in Prospect Hill. I would never go through there with my son here. So another night for sure. Another night for sure. Okay, let's get out of here. Look at how cute my little ghost center. Yeah. Yeah, okay. We're up on the street. Yep. Ready?
It's Nani.
Oh, it was Nani?
Yeah, what's a widow?
Watch out. It was Nani, so I'll tell you about that real quick.
It's widow.
Whenever you hear him
Mommy!
say, yeah, honey.
Nani's widow.
Yeah? Whenever you hear him say it's Nani, that means he's seen a white butterfly. And we believe that my grandmother, who was my best friend,
I just heard something. I just heard something drop.
come on, honey, let's go. We're on the busy street. Who passed away May 23rd, 2015. So it's been a few years now. She was my best friend and she passed away suddenly. And ever since she's passed away and Mason's grown up, we've been followed, and it seems like all at the right time, by white butterflies. And I don't know what it is about them or why I feel the way I do or Mason feels the way he does, but he always talks to them and calls them Nani and talks to them as if he's talking to her, and it's really bizarre, but really comforting at the same time. And he just seen one, so that's that story. So whenever you hear him say or me say hi Nani or good night Nani or there's Nani, it's because we've seen a white butterfly and we know that's her spirit with us. So we're just walking home now up in Prospect Hill. Go ahead, bud. Look at them too. Matching hats, matching backpacks.
Mommy, Daddy, stop.
Long hair. My two dudes. Look at them. Look at how cute he is. My little buddy. Okay. So was that fun? Everyone had fun? Huh? We got everything? We brought everything with us?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, we heard some cool stuff. I think I got like 3 or 4 videos on the phone. And